Good morning to you, West Michigan. I'm Deja Barrett.
Very nice to see you. I'm Tanner Holbrook. Thank you so much for waking up with us and watching on 13 Plus. I'm tired of the snow, Sam.
I know.
Yesterday, that little flurry that I saw on my walk, and then today we're expecting a little more.
Yeah, especially by tomorrow morning, we could see some accumulation even. Deja, I'm so sorry.
Listen,
2 thumbs down.
at this point, I'm just like, if it's gonna come, it's gonna come.
I know, and we only have 48 more hours of it. And then honestly, the forecast looks really nice, extended out. I see on your side. This is a look at our 48-hour temperature profile. Mid-40s both today and tomorrow, but notice the in-between time frame where temperatures not great. It could be better, but you know what? There's nothing that we can't handle as Michiganders, and honestly, those lights will make it all worth it if you're able to get out and about. If not, wait till the weekend, because the weekend's forecast is stunning. 22 degrees, though, this morning in Grand Rapids. We have a lot of sensors down this morning, so this is probably one of the only maps I'll show you temperature-wise throughout the morning hours. But regardless, it's cold for everybody. I don't need every specific temperature for every city to know temperatures are in the 20s, and you're going to need that nice warm jacket. Low pressure system over Omaha. That's gliding towards us. It's going to get a little extra support as it does so, and that extra support's going to translate to rain and snow come late afternoon to early evening hours. That will continue into your early Thursday morning. So yes, we are going to see some minor accumulation because of the timing of this system. It looks to arrive just when temperatures will get cold. System tracking towards us. We have a little bit of snowfall to the north. Temperatures down in the 20s this morning. This system is going to bring us chances for snow this afternoon and evening. A tighter shot here of our satellite and radar. Yeah, along US 10, you've got a few light flurries coming down, cloud coverage increasing. This is not our main system. That's just a little blip that's moving through the atmosphere. That arrives after about 5 o'clock tonight. Temperature profile today is warmer than usual, but after days of cloud coverage and snowfall, that sunshine's going to feel so good. And imagine temperatures feeling a little bit warmer even than those low 50s because of it. Hour by hour outlook here. This system initializes as rainfall as it moves in. Lakeshore counties 5 o'clock today, 6 o'clock inland. We see a quick transition to snow. The snow actually has a little bit of umph to it, a little bit of steam. But what I will say is that because our ground is so warm already this season, we are not going to see much in the way of accumulation that actually sticks for any sustained period of time, right? An inch of snow could come down. It's going to melt away. It's going to be a slushy, wet snow that does come down, though. Maybe some minor inconveniences early tomorrow morning. By noon, temperatures will be warming back into the 40s, and we will see clearing skies overnight Thursday and into Friday, where that sunshine lingers into the weekend. Snowfall totals, again, don't get too hung up on these. A trace to maybe 1.5 inches. Even those areas that do see 2 inches of snow, it is not going to actually out there today. You want to grab the nice warm winter jacket. Really, everybody that's getting out and about today. We have another cold afternoon in sight, and even some chances for snowfall headed into early tomorrow morning. We're at 28 degrees right now in Grand Rapids. We have a low pressure system that's off to the west of us. As this low glides towards us, it's going to bring us opportunities for both rain and snow this evening. Right now, we're just in. Barely even looked at the screen before I said anything. Downtown Holland, 30 degrees. We've got some cloud coverage present this morning. That will continue to increase out ahead of our next system, and it's a cold start to our day. Temperature-wise, we're at 28 degrees currently. We'll climb to the mid-40s this afternoon, but it won't be warm enough that once this system does arrive, we are going to see a switch over to snowfall fairly quickly. This morning, we are contending with a little bit chilly conditions. We've got some cloud coverage overhead in Muskegon as the sun comes up, 32 degrees. This cloud coverage going to switch over to rain and snow throughout the day today. We'll talk about the timing coming up. Wind stretching over through Ludington, experiencing that little bit of light snow to start off your day. Partly cloudy skies south of 96. We will continue to see cloud coverage increase as this low approaches us. Before it does so, we make it into the mid-40s. This is going to help the system initially arrive as rainfall. We're likely going to see a transition to snow overnight tonight and into early tomorrow morning, and then continue on with chances for a light wintry mix till maybe noon at the latest. And we could see that system work out of here fairly quickly, but we'll place it at noon just to give you guys a little bit of some buffer time. As for your Friday, as rainfall, I don't see quite this quick of a switch of snow happening. Because our temperatures are going to be in the mid-40s, I think we're going to have to wait until after sunset tonight to really start to see that switch come to fruition. Nonetheless, we are going to see a period of snowfall, and then it starts to clear out of here by noon. Depending on how quickly that switch happens, we'll likely see a trace to maybe 1 inch of slushy snow accumulate on the ground. Ground surfaces are warmer at this point in the year, so this this is not going to last for very long, maybe bringing you an inconvenience or two on tomorrow morning.